Did you know that some Brahman bulls can weigh over 2,200 pounds and thrive in sweltering heat where other cattle struggle to survive? Originating from hardy Indian ancestors, Brahman cattle have become a global powerhouse in beef production. In this video, we'll take you behind the scenes of Brahman cow farming and processing, from sun-soaked pastures to high-tech meat plants. Get ready to discover how these resilient giants are raised, cared for, and transformed into the beef that feeds millions around the world. The Brahman breed originated in the United States, developed from a mix of Indian zebu cattle like the Gujarat, Nellore, and Gir. What really sets Brahman cattle apart is their incredible heat tolerance, making them perfect for hot, challenging climates. With their signature hump over the shoulders, loose skin, and calm temperament, they've become a favorite in tropical regions around the world. Their adaptability and hardiness aren't just impressive, they're essential qualities that help farmers thrive where other breeds might struggle. The Brahman cattle is a common breed in Australia and widely used in countries like the US, Brazil, and Argentina for beef production. While its meat quality is generally lower than European breeds, it's often crossbred to improve that, leading to popular hybrids like Brangus and Brahmusin. Brahman cows stand out with their large shoulder hump, loose skin, upward curving horns, and long, floppy ears. In feedlots or confined pens, Brahman cattle are given a carefully balanced diet designed to promote steady growth, good health, and quality meat production. Their diet typically includes a mix of high-energy grains like corn or sorghum, protein sources such as soybean meal or cottonseed, and roughage like hay or silage to aid digestion. However, many large operations also choose to raise them on open pastures, allowing the cattle to graze freely on grass. In these pasture-raised systems, cowboys on horseback and trained dogs are often used to manage and monitor the herds, making sure the cattle stay healthy, safe, and well distributed across the land. This combination of natural grazing and human oversight creates a balanced approach to raising these hardy animals. At Brahman cattle auctions and livestock shows, the animals on display are truly the best of the best. Massive, muscular, and incredibly well-groomed. The largest Brahman cattle can weigh up to 2,200 pounds and can stand around 5.5 to 6 feet tall at the shoulder. In preparation for these events, the cattle receive meticulous care. They're brushed daily, bathed regularly, and often kept under fans to stay clean and cool. Their diets may be adjusted to help them build ideal body condition. Brahmans mature later than European breeds, with heifers typically reaching puberty too late to calve reliably by 2 years of age. Their gestation period averages around 293 days, longer than European breeds, which can affect breeding intervals. Calves are small at birth, but grow quickly to match other breeds at weaning. Brahmans are intelligent, curious, and hardy, thriving in tough climates and on limited feed, though they need gentle handling due to their sensitive and sometimes protective nature. Brahman cattle are typically harvested when they reach market weight, usually around 18 to 24 months of age, depending on how they've been raised. Once ready, the cattle are gathered, checked for health, and carefully loaded onto large transport trucks headed for processing plants. When Brahman cattle arrive at the processing plant, the procedure is highly structured and hygienic to ensure both safety and quality. First, the animals are humanely stunned and slaughtered, after which the carcass is split in half and the internal organs are carefully removed. The carcasses are then thoroughly washed to remove any contaminants and weighed before being moved into a chilling room, where they're kept at low temperatures to preserve freshness and allow the meat to firm up. After chilling, the whole sides are inspected for quality, including marbling, color, and overall condition. Next comes fabrication. The chilled carcasses are broken down into primal cuts, then further processed into smaller retail cuts. Skilled workers perform deboning, trimming away excess fat and bone to prepare clean portions of meat. These cuts are then moved to the packing area, where they are vacuum sealed to lock in freshness, labeled, boxed, and prepared for distribution. Brahman beef is known for being lean, with lower marbling, but still flavorful, especially when cooked properly. Brahman beef is especially popular in tropical and subtropical countries like Brazil, Argentina, Colombia, Paraguay, Australia, the United States, Mexico, and parts of Southeast Asia. Brahman beef has a firm texture and rich flavor, making it ideal for slow cooking methods like braising, stewing, or roasting. With proper aging or marination, it can also be grilled or pan-seared. It's often used in stews, curries, barbecues, stir-fries, or ground dishes, delivering bold, hearty taste when prepared right.